Hi, welcome to Akasha Yoga Practice. My name is Kirsten, and I'll take you through a 20 minutes yin yoga practice to create deeper connection with your body. So this is a practice that touches on our front line, on our back line. It opens the chest, works into the hips and on the spine. And the intention of this practice is to really create deeper connection with your body and to foster deep listening. So to really listen to the message that's coming from the body and to really practice with the body with the intention to create deep connection with the body. So for this practice, you might want to modify and play with a bolster. It's not needed, but it's nice if you have one handy. And if you're dealing with knee issues, it's great to have some blocks